Hello my friends, everyone knows that you have to have good tools in order to do good job, and today we're gonna take a look at some good tools which can help you definitely to do a good job. Hey, this is Uncle Misha, welcome to Untitled Electronic channel. Today we're gonna take a look at those tools. So this is iOpener kit from iFixit. I think this is, I would say this is essential tool to have when you are poking around with some electronic, especially when you poke around with some cell phones and smartphones and tablets and things like that. So let's take a look what's inside and how it works. So this is a kit. It comes in a box like this. So this is the kit in a very nice box. It comes in a box like this, and here what's included on the back side of it, it's actually listing everything that included. So toolkit content, iOpener, whatever it is, precision bit driver, integrated SIM eject tool, Tweezers battery blocker, interesting, suction handle, Spudger opening tool, opening pick, plastic card, Phillips 00 flathead. So this is for precision driver, I guess. And sorting tray in repair is noble. Here is the made in China, of course, and here is the barcode. Okay, let's open it and see what we got. I bought it on Amazon on sale, and if you're interested, this thing I think comes pretty often on sale, or at least that's, it's very hard to open. Let's use a screwdriver, not as precise as one included, I assume. Okay, so let's see what we got. Alright, moment of truth. Take a look at that. So we have a whole bunch of cool stuff. Okay, I now understand what is iOpener. So iOpener is obviously the gel, some sort of thingy which you heat up, I guess, and you put it on the screen okay. Direction: microwave one iOpener at a time for 30 seconds only. If necessary, reheat for 30 seconds only. Wait 10 minutes before reheating again. So yes, you heat this thing up. It heats up to more or less specific temperature. You whack it on the screen, on the side of the screen, for example. You warm up this side, you open it. Easy peasy. So this is probably one of the main things. I don't really need that particular device because I do have a LCD heat plate warmer, but still, or heater, but still, this can be useful when you are mobile. But again, if you are mobile, you don't have a microwave, so meh, I don't know about that. So what else do we have? We have this bunch of thingies actually, which is like just tape it like this. It's interesting. Is it? Yeah, I think it's supposed to be here. Just shift it a little bit. Okay, let's just tape it when it's supposed to be. So this is to pray, I guess, apart some things, for example. But I do use like this. So I have whole bunch. This is old Tim Hortons gift card, right? I use this stuff, which is essentially it is the same. So yeah, I have a bunch of old like here's IKEA. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of these things, and they're actually different thickness. So it looks like Tim Hortons and then stiffness, right? Oh, this is more like a paper. This is a plastic. I didn't realize this is paper actually. Anyways, so I have a bunch of these. I always keep them handy, and I use them all the time to pry apart some things. Sometimes I even sharpen them. So but probably these things, it is our way better thing to poke and, for example, to dislodge screen on the perimeter. So you warm it up and then you try to get in with this super thin and super tough plastic. So I'm not sure what would be the name of this particular tool. Let me take a piece of paper. Opening tool, I guess. Opening picks. These are opening picks. And I'm gonna leave it here as a cheat sheet. I'm gonna block my light here. I'm gonna use it. Oh, I put it here as a cheat sheet. All right, and then these are pretty cool. I like these, and there are many of them, and they are tough. It's really tough plastic. Nice. I don't know, some kind of nylon, I guess. This one, it's supposed to have some kind of sticky thingy here. This is battery blocker, I assume. I don't know how that would work, but it is a battery blocker. This is suction cup, so when you warm it up your screen, you just suck it in and you try to kind of, you know, let me bring something. So I brought this tablet. I think this screen is okay. It has busted micro USB port, but it's not about this. So yeah, you do this, you just suck it in, and it's not really sucks very well. I guess something like that, and then doesn't work. You have to like press it, I guess. It's very stiff, maybe because it's cold in the basement. I don't know. What's supposed to happen? It's supposed to, I don't know how to apply it. It's really tough. Something like that, I guess. Anyways, you got the idea. So you use this, you warm it up, and then you angle it like this, and you use this to pry this, for example, screen away. Oh yeah, no. Okay, it's coming off. So next, then we have this device, which I like a lot. It's actually some kind of I guess called opening tool, because if you, for example, have a little bit of space, you can like angle it this way and just keep prying and pushing it, and you know, on the perimeter, and just it could be also very useful, for example, for devices like that, you know, which are not glued, just clamped together, and there is a few latches here you have to pry apart. So this is very handy. Then we have this. I like this. It says, I think this is Spudger. So this is Spudger. Okay, just go back in here. So using this Spudger, you can poke something and you can, you know, press it and scrape something. That's very handy. And here are precision tweezers, which are ESD safe. How precision? They are not so precise. I think they're a little bit even bent. I haven't used them ever. Yeah, well, so much of precision things. Oh, and most important, we have double Phillips 00 and the screwdriver here, and I think these are 4mm bits, so I have tons of them, so it's awesome. And here is flathead, which probably will be never used because flathead is relatively rare use. So these days it's a Torx, which is more important, and 5-star, whatever, how you call it, I don't know. So yeah, this is oh, and one of the most important things is a sorting tray. So when you disassemble your thingies, you can put little bolts and nuts and parts in this little thing, and they're not gonna be scattered all over your desk. So this is very, very handy. So I think I love it already. This little iOpener kit, and I'm definitely going to be using it, especially having the sorting tray. It's very useful. I have my Chinesium kit like this, which is essentially, and even my homemade tools, right, like this. So some very chintzy tweezers, and the Spudger is really good. Some other things. Instead of these guys, I used to use these guitar picks, which I completely ruined by now. Because they are very thin, but they don't serve the same purpose. Anyways, but these guys have also metal opening tool like that. I have few of them actually from some other brands. So yeah, this is good tool as well. So essentially going to be using both of them, but this is very nice and handy. Also, it has everything sorted nicely, so it's not going to be like scattered and all over the shop. Right, so in general, I like the kit. I like it. I think it worth the money because it has a bunch of nice tools. And for example, if I would buy these tools separately or receive them with some sort of, you know, sometimes when you buy a screen to replace, you get this like super pooper chintzy cheapo tools from, you know, tools which comes with the screen, which is like ridiculously almost bent and crooked and tiny screwdriver and some kind of a spudgers on maybe like this picks of a sort, like maybe I don't remember, like this thing usually comes like ridiculously a chintzy screwdriver, so that's ridiculous. I usually throw those away. This is to stay, because definitely it looks very nice and tools are good quality. So this is quick overview of iOpener kit from iFixit. I'm really happy I got it. I got it some time ago, just finally found time to review it, and I think it'll be very useful in order to fix some of the tablets I just do around on one of my phones and things like, because I have a few broken phones which are sitting there on the desk and I would just like to repair them. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. I hope that was useful overview. See you in next episode. Stay safe. Ciao. This is sexy screwdriver. Oh, it's actually plasticky. This is only metal. This is all plastic. But still, it's well done. Actually, it feels good. Like it's nice, grippy handle. Like yeah. I think it's good screwdriver. And I have tons of 4mm bits. Like I have a lot. Very nice kit. Especially I like this screwdriver. And I like this one. This is very useful. Very useful for tear downs. Yep. Love it. You won't be disappointed, my friend. You won't be disappointed. Alright.